This is your money market fund performance update as at 13th April 2026. All right, it's great to understand that only two money market funds met the target of 10% net return. And I'm going to reveal to you what these two money market funds are. All right, before we even get started, if you're confused, in understanding what a money market fund is let me explain this. A money market fund works like a chama. You know the merry-go-round where people come together and pool resources together, then they share the resources. Now, what happens in a money market fund? Many people come together and, save their money in one fund manager, a person who is very competent, and then he takes that money and invests in diverse financial securities like commercial papers. Then they can invest in government treasury bills and also the bank deposits or core deposits. Now, after they receive an income, they share it between all these investors. That is how a money market fund works, and that is where they invest their money. Now, before I give the update of top 7 best performing money market fund, I want to highlight a few issues around the whole financial market that is happening. Now, we have said that money market funds invest in treasury bills. It is good to look at how much did these treasury bills give during this period. Now, a 91 treasury bill return was 7.4%. That is a net of around 6.3. The 182 T-bill was 7.8%, which is a net of 6.7. Then a 364 was 8.3, which is a net of 7%. When I say net, I mean the return less the withholding tax of 15%. Now, this is very important because we want to gauge the return of our money market fund compared to this primary investment opportunity where they invest their money in. And we can see now that 91 is 7.4 and 364 8.3. So we can say the middle, which is 182 day treasury bill, which is 7.8%, can act as a benchmark to our return. So when you're evaluating the return of the performance of your money market fund vis-a-vis a 182 treasury bill of 7.8, which is relative return of 6.7%, that could give you a very good benchmark when you're evaluating your money market fund. Another key aspect that we look into is the inflation rate. Now, the inflation rate in the month of March is 4.4%, or was 4.4%, compared to the month of February when it was 4.3%. So we can see the inflation rate is going up. And now, on 14th April, that was yesterday, now IPRA increased the prices of fuel. Now, super petrol was increased at shillings 28.69 and retailing now at 206.97, while diesel rose at 40.30 Kenya shillings. Now it's retailing at 206.84. What does this mean to us? It means now we are likely to see the prices of goods and services go up. So the inflation rate for probably April will go up to 5% or even 6% because of this great increase in the prices of fuel. Because fuel affects everything. When it comes to transportation, I know now when you go and fuel your lorry and you are transporting your goods to Mombasa, it is going to cost you more, the logistic part, which is going to be transferred to the prices of goods. And also even services. Even when you go to your local matatu, you board matatu, now the prices, the fares have already increased. So this is one of the most significant factors when it comes to inflation. And we are likely to see that going up because of the prices increases. All right, now we get to the best part that you are waiting for. What are the top 7 money market fund as at 13th April? Now, NABO money market fund led the list with 10.36, and it's also good to note that NABO was doing 12.90 as at 1st April, and now it's 12.19. So there is a slight decline in that. Now, Etika Money Market Fund was the second one at a net return of 10.17. So the only 2 money market funds that managed to beat the cutoff of 10% was NABO and Etika. Number 3 was Saiton Money Market Fund that gave 9.51, then followed by Avocap Money Market Fund giving a 9.22%, followed by number 5 GovCap MMF at 9.2, then NWealth at number 6 at 9.1%, and then Lofty Coban at number 7 at 9.03. Let me just put it, go up to number 10. Jubilee Money Market Fund at 8.94, and number 9, Orient Money Market Fund at 8.80, and number 10, Kuza Money Market Fund at 8.65. You can see the difference between the top ranking and the others is a margin of point. So these are not significant, but in the long run, if your money market fund is giving a lower rate, it could make a very, very huge difference. Now, it is worth noting that out of that money market fund that I analyzed, the average was coming to 7.7%. We saw the average return of 182 Treasury Bill was 7.8. So we can see most money market funds are operating at that level. So it's good to note that if you want to evaluate the performance of your money market fund, you can first gauge it using the 182 Treasury Bill return. 2, you look if is my money market fund giving me a better return compared to the inflation rate. Inflation rate 4.4%. If it's giving you something less than inflation, you're not doing anything, or equal to inflation, you are not doing anything. Why are you stuck in that money market fund that is not giving you any worthwhile return when there are other money market funds that are giving very good return? So you can opt to just open a different money market fund and make your money work for you. So if you have no idea which is the best money market fund after highlighting all these 10 or in a list of these 30 money market fund, I'll place this list somewhere here. You can just WhatsApp me best money market fund, and I'm going to guide you. I'm going to help you get the best in the market. In fact, I usually recommend just what I use in the market. That is what I'm going to share with you. Alex Mwangi is my name. See you in the next update.